snap it. Hi guys, this is a multifunctional tool, and I am actually quite amused that this is actually selling at only less than 15 ringgit. That's about $4. Yeah, less than $4 in US. Yeah, so let's take a look at this. This is a multifunctional tool, that's what they call it, and can open up like this to become a plier. Yeah, so it comes with a spring as well. And let's take a look at what is it in here. Yeah, there's a knife, there's a Phillips screwdriver, this is a slotted screwdriver, that's what they called it, and this is a bottle opener behind here, and this is scales scraping. To me, this is a saw. All right, so that's what you get to see at this site. And how about the other one? A big slotted screwdriver. Well, okay. And this is a can opener, and this is a nail file or cleaner. Small slotted screwdriver. Okay, so this doesn't come with any scissors, and anyway, it's actually pretty good for me, and it's pretty small. I think it's a mini size multifunctional tool. So if you actually close all of them, let me just close it one by one. The other side as well. Oops, a little bit tight, but still okay. And to close this, you just need to do this and snap it. Yeah, actually pretty small. This is my palm, and it's actually so small. And just take a look at the difference. Yeah, the size. This is normal nail clipper, and this is the multifunctional tools that come with 12, not mistaken. Yeah, 12 different functions, 12 different tools. And it also comes with this, yeah, a bag, small bag where you can put it in. It's a Velcro, and you can actually, you know, put it on your belt. Yeah, normally I would just put it in my pouch. So there's this term called EDC, where you call it everyday carry items, where you put it in your, you know, pouch or bags. So this is something where I find very useful. Yeah, okay, it's a bit tough to open. This is very useful because it comes with so many things. So I'm reluctant to show you this, but this is how the packaging looks like. It's just a very simple thing from Mr. DIY. It's a local store. Already a few hundred branches in Malaysia, and they're selling this at a very low price, less than 15 ringgit. So it's pretty cool. Yeah, but oh, it's 13 in 1, sorry. So the thing is that it's not so easy for you to find this. The moment I saw this, this is already the last piece. So there's a few branches that I went to. I don't really see this. So let's take a look at what I've just mentioned to you guys earlier. It's a plier, then there's a wire cutter, a needle hose plier, yeah, and aluminum handles. So this is nice. Yeah, this is nice, aluminum handles, and scale scraping, whatnot. Yeah, actually I've just mentioned to you guys much earlier all the things. I read it, and I read it from here. Okay, so if it's wrong, then this is wrong. So what is good about this is it's also stainless steel. Yeah, this is aluminum handle, and I do believe this is all stainless steels as well. So it's a pretty good tool. Yeah, for 15 ringgit. I don't think you can find such a bargain anywhere. It's not sold in Shopee. I think in Shopee easily you have to buy this at a price of 30 or 40 ringgit. I don't know, I'm just saying. Yeah, and in Amazon I saw something similar, which is selling at about $10. So it's about 40 ringgit. Yeah, so there you go, A very nice tool at a budget price, and you can find it at your local store, Mr. DIY. So for those EDC friends, yeah, out there who wanted something like this, you know, whether you want to put it in your car or you want to just put it in your pouch, this is just nice. Yeah, I don't know when I'll be using it. I think this is nice to have for you to put in your car, where sometimes you need to have screwdrivers or a simple knife to cut something. So there you go. I'm still having some problem trying to find out how to open this. Yeah, this way. Okay, so there you go. Thanks for watching, and I do really hope that you enjoyed this. I want to buy it from Amazon. Put in the link in the description as well, so you can just click in there and see for yourself whether this is a worthy product for you guys or not. All right, thanks for watching and have a nice day.